Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell and this is your April 2019 Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections including cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. If you want to be receiving some of the new product each and every month, then you want to be sure and subscribe to the Flavors of the Month. Each month with your kit you'll receive a sample of gourmet coffee. You can brew that up and sip on while you create with your kits. You'll also receive 4 recipe cards for 4 double-page layouts, one for each one of the 4 collections, designed by the design team. They will include cutting and assembly instructions and a full-color photo of the finished layout. This is a perfect way to jumpstart your scrapbooking and be scrapbooking your memories even faster. This month's kit has a wide variety of colors and themes running throughout it. The 4 collections this month is Flower Market from Carta, Freebird from Photoplay Paper, Out and About from Pink Fresh, and Kaleidoscope from Vicki Booten and American Crafts. Let's take a closer look at each one of these 4 collections. First, from Carta Flower Market, you're going to receive 2 sheets of Cream Puffs cardstock. This first pattern paper is this gorgeous floral in the pinks and the yellow gold and the blue-green on this minty turquoisey green. It's just beautiful. The watercolor florals are stunning. The back is a pink and off-white stripe. This paper is called Garden Floral. Then we have the farm truck in the aqua with the florals in here on a cream background. The back is a black and cream check. This one is called Market Trucks. Then we have the embroidery hoops with all of the beautiful designs inside. These could be fussy cut for embellishments or used in strips for borders. Just beautiful designs. The back is a wood grain, and this one is called embroidery hoops. So one more look at the patterned paper. These would also be beautiful in cards. So when you're done creating your layouts, take some of the leftovers and create some cards. The embellishments include the full 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So we have 2 borders, some large icons and words. I love this little banner with the bloom on it and this large banner here. Gorgeous florals. So you can see lots of options to layer up and create your embellishment clusters on your projects. So that is Flower Market from Carta. Next, from Photoplay Paper, we have Freebird. This paper is called Fancy Free, and it has the floral in the pink and the red orange with touches of purple running throughout here in that blue-green. It's on a gray background. The back is a 2-toned yellow print. This one called Wild Child. This is a really unique kind of a stripe, but it has the little touches of color running through it, and this is like a wood grain print. The back is a paisley design, 2-toned gray. This one called Birds of a Feather are all of these birds on these little twigs of gold, and it's on this dark blue-green background. It's just gorgeous. The back is a white flower on this red-orange background. You can see some really gorgeous colors in this collection. The cardstock you're going to receive is 2 sheets of smoke cardstock. Your embellishments are, you're going to receive a doily and a yard of lawn fawn twine. So this is a gold metallic on a cream. And then you're going to receive a 1/3 pack of the ephemera. So there are some tags and banners, a little frame. So those will vary, but those are the ones that I received. I love this. I got it from my mama. So that is Freebird from Photoplay Paper. Next, from Pink Fresh, we have Out and About. So this is geared towards your vacation, but it can be for any kind of outing that you find yourself going on. So this paper is called Explore. This is a perfect background paper, ready to go. Just put some photos and some titles and just a few little layers behind it and it's done. So it has all of these circles with the different prints and a text running around it, and these little paper airplanes with the polka dot trail of where it's coming from. The back is a red geometric design made up of triangles. This one's called New Places, and it has geotags with some little travel type quotes running throughout it, and the background is white with a light blue grid. The back is a rainbow stripe design, and then it has a topographical map kind of printed over the top of it. Really fun and unique. This one's called Travel Icons, so it has the dot stripe and then a travel icon at the end of each one of those. So this is another one that's perfectly ready to be a background, and just put a photo and some layers and a couple of little embellishments and it could be done. The back is a gray with white travel icons going throughout it. So there's compass and a bicycle, maps, a suitcase, all kinds of fun icons. So one more look at the pattern paper. Then for your embellishments, you're going to receive one frame, and this is really fun. It has stitching already done on it with a little layered ephemera piece on top, so that's fun. 2 tags, so these are all going to vary among the kits, and then one of the paper clips, and so this is kind of like an epoxy. It's a hard epoxy paper clip. So your embellishments will vary, but that is a look at Pink Fresh Out and About. Last but certainly not least is Vicki Boutin's Kaleidoscope collection. This is a beautiful mixed media look collection. If you're familiar with Vicki Boutin, then you look at it and you know it's her designs. So starting with the cardstock, you're going to receive 2 sheets of dark craft cardstock, and I love that with this paper. Look how well that picks that up. That was a perfect match of cardstock for this. This first paper is called Paper Hearts, and it's a rainbow of hearts in different patterns. It's very cool. Those could be fussy cut, left the way they are. It's just beautiful. The back is a 2-toned pink design, and the branding strip is all of those hearts again in a really small scale. This paper called Side Note, which is a ledger paper, but it has all of these little labels and tags coming off the side of it, and a little bit of the watercolor paint and mixed media look. The back is a aqua color or turquoise color with these circles made up of dots. This paper called Chasing Rainbows, which again is that beautiful brush stroke watercolor, vibrant colors. And the back is a diagonal stripe in the purple and navy blue. So look at those beautiful vibrant colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets. So I got some tags and labels, and then circles, scallop circles, and some flowers and small circles. So those are perfect for layering up. And then you're going to receive some icons and frames and ephemera pieces. So these are all going to vary among the kits, but this is a good sampling of what is in the collection. Beautiful, beautiful designs. So that is Kaleidoscope from Vicki Boutin. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons that are available to go with the Flavors of the Month. We have cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-ons that will make this kit go even further. Come over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group to see what the design team and the fellow subscribers are creating with their kits, as well as join in on some of the fun challenges we have going on all month long. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.